We all remember that relationship, that one you wish you could have back, but you know in the back of your head it's better that we don't. Check me out. Got me sitting on the couch, I'm steady thinking, damn baby girl, what was we thinking? All that crazy stuff that we used to do, started in the bed, ended in the living room. Can't help but miss it. You remember that? Domestic violence always had them scratches on my back. I love to hear it purring. Yeah, that kitty cat you got on top, you roll me smoother than a Cadillac. And that's just how it goes. I know you ain't affected by all these other hoes, because you are a 10 and to me they just some foes. Can't nobody do what we did behind closed doors. Damn baby, you is so fine. If I could get you back, I'd spend my last dime, cause this money ain't shit. I just need you to be mine, but that favorite memory remains of you from behind. Hey, and that's just how it goes. And that's just how it goes. Hey, and that's just how it goes. Any more requests, man, I got you. MDM, we out.